Oh no, I guess the shoot's over. It's broken, clearly. On our way into Vail Lake, today we're shooting the Traxxas Raptor R Ultimate Edition. Don't know what we're getting ourselves into. It's technically a bike park. Anyways, we're gonna try and go session. They've got some cool built jumps and some open dirt areas, and try and make this thing go fast and have a good time with it. How's it going? Is there a bike competition today? Is that why there's so many people? Oh, gotcha. Okay. What's up, Zach? Welcome. Apparently it's the US Open of bike competition today. So we'll see if there's room for us in there. Well, I brought the bike just in case. Maybe we don't make a video today if it's too crowded. Hey, let me just go in here and check it out and see what the area over here that's not in the race looks like. My hunches will probably hang out over there because this looks like a freaking zoo. Looks pretty dead over here on the jump section, so maybe we'll be able to come over here and play. I went to the website and paid an entry fee. I figured they would have had banners or something up that said what was going on. Nope. Got my passes to get into the bike park, and there's a freaking competition, which under normal circumstances might be cool, but not when I'm trying to make an RC video and fly under the radar. Is it not bound? No. I bound one of them. Are you sure? Zach's trying to fix my mistake over here, not binding it properly.
Dude, what a loser.
I swear I bound it last night.
That's a lie.
Every once in a while these things just go unbound and you gotta rebind them.
No.
Time to go have some fun. Oh man, we got a whole crew coming through. Hit it! That little girl's like 4. Like, bring it in from this side. Some beauty light on this thing. That's a good looking truck.
Are you getting the angle that makes it look like it's the actual, like, massive cars? Dude,
exactly. You nailed it, dude. You get these low angles and it looks just like a real truck. Check out the Traxxas YouTube channel. You'll see it on there. All right, here we go. Camera speeding and set. You have that jump pretty much locked down. What'd you do?
I broke it.
The lens popped out. Luckily we found it. Let's see if we can get it glued back. It wouldn't be an RC media workshop production if we didn't get at least a couple drone shots. Take off. Go. You ready? Camera speeding and action. Heck yeah, dude. Set. Pretty close. You're in a bush again. Wheels deep in the bush. That was much closer. Maybe give it one more shot to see if you can get level, but if not, I'm okay with that one. I like my drone shot better. This is the one, man. And set. Way better. That was perfect. All right. I think we're just starting over there and then just go fast. Camera speeding and set. Oh, oh my God. It looks so broken. Come here. Oh no, I guess the shoot's over. It's broken, clearly. Oh, it's just the body. Back in business. Let me get one going back, doing a 360. Maybe like over there. Oh yeah, that would look cool actually. Camera speeding and set. Oh, I got a lot of rocks on me. Oh, let's do this. Let's get to here and then like turn in that pit. Yeah, cool. I think that worked pretty good. I think we got the goods. Ooh, that's dusty. Oh, I think it's cracked. Every lens is cracked. Damn. Hey, but the shot was worth it. Good job. Sorry. Guess that's it for today. Shoot is over. Wait, you gotta walk back.
Bye, see you later.
No, I'm just kidding. You can ride in here. Well, that's that. That's a pretty good shoot. We got the Raptor Ultimate to do some pretty cool stuff. Oh, good, he is gonna ride. This is way better than walking back.
Oh yeah.
We walked pretty far. Luckily, there's this competition going on, cross-country biking. And now in the mix of things, all these vehicles, they don't know that we're not supposed to be here. So I'll finish up the shoot. Didn't come and drive the RC over here, but we're going to go take the bike out and take a couple laps, climbing up over at Vailocity onto the top. Alright, made it back to the Jeep in one piece. Got to get a fun trail in to end the day off. That's a pretty good day. Got to shoot an RC car video, hang out with my friend Zack, ride some bikes, hydrate, head home, and recover.